The main goal of this lesson is to create an assisted learning program with a written report that the student will be able to present to the class. The first main point, or the learning objective, number one, is students are going to be able to identify whether a program is weak or strong. A strong learning program integrates technology, visual arts, and constant engagement, and these are going to be the three subpoints throughout the lesson. So in the first part of the lesson, students are going to actually be emailed a link to a PowerPoint, and the first slide is just going to have the title of the lesson on it. And when they hit slide number 2, which is mainly going to be slide number 1, it is going to have the 3 strengths that a good program has. So this is like including visual arts, the technology integration, and having constant involvement throughout the lesson. These aren't going to be explained in depth yet, but they will in the future. So the slide number 2 is then going to go talk about things that make a program weak. So like not integrating technology, thinking that all children learn and think the same way, and that all children are the same pretty much. So in slide number 3, students are going to be provided a link to a YouTube where they're going to be able to click that, and they're going to have an example of a program that actually currently exists, and they're going to think about the strengths and weaknesses just based on the little information that they have so far. With this, they're going to be able to go into a Padlet, which is an online discussion board. Will they be able to discuss what they thought were the strengths and weaknesses and possibly gain some information from their peers. With this, they're going to be able to write a little essay about a few days after the discussion and after watching the video on WordPress, and they'll submit that to their teacher. They will then continue on to subpoint number 1, which is going in more depth on integration of technology. So in this, the teacher will actually create a video that exists explaining the importance of integrating technology. So explaining how it evolves the students' learning process and helps them learn more and helps them in the future in their academic and non-academic lives. And they'll take that via iMovie and actually link that to YouTube.